Today we are working on another Cla45s project. So this is our client's 2023 Cla45s. He sent the car to us right after delivery of his brand new Cla45s to upgrade with our Akrapovic exhaust system. The Akrapovic exhaust is all about lightweight. The rear muffler is made out of titanium materials, so it is very lightweight and we can actually easily lift it up with one hand. While because of this Akrapovic system is made out of very lightweight titanium material, so the car will also benefit from the weight reduction over the heavy factory system. And there will be a total of 9.6 kilograms of weight reduction after we install this Akrapovic exhaust on the Cla45s. We are going to upgrade the intake as well. The air intake that we are going to install is this very beautiful Eventuri carbon intake for the Cla45s. According to Eventuri, there will be around 15 to 18 horsepower and 12 to 16 foot-pound of torque increase by installing their carbon intake alone on the Cla45s. And of course, with the Akrapovic exhaust installed, there will be also performance improvements. So there will be roughly 8.6 horsepower and 9.1 Newton meters of torque increase by installing this Akrapovic titanium exhaust. You will never go wrong with this combination of Akrapovic titanium exhaust to pair with the Eventuri carbon air intake. We have completed another Cla45s with Akrapovic exhaust upgrade and also the Eventuri carbon intake. Let us know in the comment sections below what you think about this brand new Akrapovic exhaust. How does it sound on the Cla45s? Remember to like and share this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting contents in the future.